विद्यानिकेतन।
Hello my dear children, welcome back to our class. Can we start our class? Can we start with the prayer? Okay, then join your hands, close your eyes and repeat the prayer. Okay? Oh my God, please bless me, bless my father and my mother, bless my brother and my sister, bless my school and my teachers, bless my friends and always make them happy. Okay, so in our last class we studied a rhyme. Do you all remember that rhyme? Can we sing it together? Then start. Big and small, big and small, big, 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 small, 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 big, 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 small, 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 small. Okay? So, today I have two new friends with me. Giraffe and a puppy. Giraffe, say hello to my children. Hello friends, my name is Mittu. Okay, then puppy, say hello to my children. Hello friends, my name is Motu. Oh, very nice. Look at them. Mittu is tall. Mittu is tall. Look at Motu. Motu is short. Motu is short. They are going to play with this ball. They are going to play with this ball. But Mittu looks very sad. What happened to you? Oh, I am so hungry. I want to eat something. Oh, I have some chocolates with me, but I kept it in a box far away from you. Where is it? See the box? See the box? It's far away from you. Can you see? Oh, it's far. No problem. We can go near the box and take the chocolates. Okay, then go near the box and take the chocolates. Mittu and Motu reached near the box and they opened the box. Mittu and Motu opened the box and they took some chocolates. But Motu is still sad. What happened, Motu? Mittu have more chocolates. I have only less chocolates. Oh, let me see. Yes, Mittu having more chocolates, but Motu is having only less chocolates. So, I will give both of you equal number of chocolates. Let me count the chocolate first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, there are 10 chocolates. I will give 5 for Mittu and 5 for Motu. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for you. Are you happy now? Yes. Then go and play together. Then go and play together. Go, 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 go. So, they left. Can we study now? Are you ready? So children, Now look at these pictures. Here we can see a boy and a girl. Boy is tall and girl is short. Boy is tall and girl is short. Next picture is, can you see a giraffe here? Yes, a giraffe is here. Giraffe is tall and sheep is short. Can you see? Sheep is short, giraffe is tall. Then look at these trees. This tree is tall tree and this tree is short tree. Understood? This tree is tall and this tree is short. Okay. Here we can see two bottles. This bottle is having more sweets and this bottle is having less sweets. Isn't it? This bottle is having more sweets and this bottle is having less sweets. And see this picture. Here we can see apples, but this tree having more apples, but this tree is having less apples. Can you see? Here more apples and here less apples. Then next, this picture, in this we can see more fruits. In this we can see only less fruits. Isn't it? Here we can see a boy standing near to this tree and a girl standing far away from this tree. A boy standing near to this tree and the girl is standing far away from this tree. And look at this picture. Here the boy is standing near to this girl and in this picture the boy is standing far away from this girl. Boy is standing far away from this girl. And look at this picture. Here we can see a girl and her pet. Here the pet is standing near to this girl and in this picture the pet is standing far away from this girl. Far away from this girl. Understood? We can touch the things which is near to us, but we cannot touch the things that is far away from us. Okay? Now it is the time for activity. Take a paper and divide it into two sections, more and less. Then here we have to draw an ice cream cone. So draw an ice cream cone. And I am drawing one scoop, which is my favorite flavor, pista. So I am giving green color to this. So now you have to do So what you have to do is draw one ice cream cone here, then draw more scoops with different flavors like vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, then color it. Understood? So you have to draw an ice cream cone here, then draw more scoops with different flavors like vanilla, chocolate and strawberry. Okay? Then this row I am pasting buttons like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am pasting more buttons here. You have to paste less number of buttons here in this second column. Understood? Now take another paper and you can draw a tall tree. A tall tree. Tall tree. Then a ball. Here the ball is far away from this tree. You can draw a tall tree or a short tree. Also you can give colors to these pictures. Okay children, so do these activities and take a photo of that activity and send that to our WhatsApp group. See you in the next class. Bye bye.